10th Physical Science, Electromagnetism. In this lesson, magnetism produced from electricity, and so it is called electromagnetism. Electric motor, electric generator, electric calling bell, and electric cranes worked by electromagnetism. Before this electromagnetism, the people thought electricity and magnetism is separate. So when Einstein did experiment, so both of them are called electromagnetism because electricity made a magnet. So some devices worked by electromagnetism, they are electric generator, electric motor, electric calling bell, and also electric trains. Hans Christian Ørsted experiment. So Ørsted did one experiment, that is, take a thermocol sheet and fix two thin wooden sticks that have a small slit at the top of their ends. So this is a thermocol sheet and fix it to wooden sticks that have a small slit. So these two is a wooden sticks and the top ends contains the small breaks, that is called slits. Passes the copper wire through these slits and connect the battery and key. So here the current wires passes through these breaks, it means slits, and connect it to the batteries and keys also. So here the current circuit is formed. Now keep a magnetic compass below the wire. So this wire, below this wire, keep a compass, magnetic compass. Switch on the circuit. So when you keep the compass below this wire, then we switch on the key. Then we observe the changes in the position of the needle. Current carrying wire apply a force on the needle for the deflection of compass needle. So electric field influenced on magnetic field. Magnetic field applied force for deflection of compass needle without physical contact between them. So when we switch on this current, then the current passes through this wire. Then the magnetic field formed or produced around this current wire. So this magnetic field applied force on the compass needle. So the needle of the compass get the deflection and move position, one position to another position. It means north to south. So without physical contact, the needle of compass get deflection. Magnetic field. When a magnetic force gets applied on compass needle without any physical contact between them is called magnetic field. So there is a no connection between the compass needle and wire, but the needle of the compass get deflection. Deflection means moves from north to south. So here there is a no physical contact between the wire and needle of compass. So it is called magnetic field. The magnetic field formed or produced around this wire, this magnetic field applied force on the deflection of needle of compass. So it is called magnetic field. Lines of magnetic field. So in the previous class already you know about the bar magnet and that contains north and south poles. Process. Place a white sheet on the table. Place a compass in the middle of it. Put a dots on either side of compass needle. So here keep a white sheet on the table and also put a first compass on this sheet. Next we put a dots on both sides of the compass and remove compass and draw the line connecting the dots shows north and south of the earth. So when you draw a line connecting the both sides of the dots and this line shows the north and south pole of the earth. And remove the compass and place a bar magnet on this line drawn. Place the compass at the north pole of the bar magnet. So when you keep the bar magnet on this line, then again you put a compass at the side of the north pole. Then you put a 2 dots on this compass. Next put a dot and change the compass to another side of dot again. So here you put a dot and remove this compass and again you put on this dot. Put a dot at the north pole of compass. Repeat the process till you repeat the south pole at the bar magnet. Connect the dots from the north to south of the bar magnet. You will get a curved line. So you put a dot, again you remove and again also you put here and also put the dot here till you reach the south pole. Then you draw a line connecting the curved line. Now select the another point from the north pole of the bar magnet. Repeat the process for many points taken and get different curves. Next you start another line. You put the compass and draw a point. Again you remove. You put here compass and you again also you put here. Then also the curved line points. So like this many points you draw a connecting the points getting the curved lines. So on both sides of the bar magnet you get a more curved lines. Okay, so these curved lines are called lines of magnetic field. Okay, so these curved lines produced from north pole to south pole. And the south pole to north pole to we observed so many lines formed. And the lions getting the strength weak in this area. So this area is called weak strength. And North Pole and South Pole, the lions are very thick. So this area is called strong strength. When we draw a tangent along this curve, so it shows direction of the magnetic lines. And here we see the weak area and strong area. So it appeared as a not uniform. So it is called non-uniform magnetic field. And properties of these lines of magnetic field means magnetic field lines are closed loops. Why? Because the magnetic field lines start from North Pole and goes through the south to north, again north to south. So it appeared as a closed loops. Next one, magnetic field lines never cross each other. So one curved line and another curved line not crossed each other. Okay. So these are properties of magnetic field. Okay.